Good morning, guys.
Good morning, Prabhjot.
Uh,
Good morning, Prabhjot.
Today we are attending our Sprint 1 meetup as
Okay.
Sprint 1 has completed. So today I'm going to ask you some opinions of your on Sprint 1 experience of yours. So starting from Sidhant, tell me what worked well for you and what didn't work well for you in this Sprint 1.
Our regular meetups make me clear about our sprint one and also make me clear that how we will reach up to our fourth sprint.
Okay, okay. And what
And
didn't?
I had no previous experience uh, with these type of projects, so those make me little.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. And was there anything confusing for you? Because this was our Sprint 1.
There are so many various features and options in Jira, so those were new to me. So those make me very confused in starting.
Okay. And Nikhil, do you wanna say something?
Yeah, in my case, everything, most of the things worked well, by the way.
Okay,
First of all, I will share my screen.
okay.
Just a second.
Oh, so this was our sprint one.
Yeah, I will choose these things first. Just a second. So
Okay,
basically, my first story was about research on servo motors, and in this user story, I have not given any description, so that was my mistake. But
nice.
that worked well. I have researched on servo motors, and we have selected those servo motors.
Yeah, yeah.
And other user stories I have also created, like this one
Okay,
Arduino library for basic hand signs. So these are also worked well. But the main issue we were having was I had not given any description to these user stories, and
oh,
also these user stories are not associated with any epic. So from the
oh.
sprint two,
So we didn't created any epic in last sprint one.
yeah,
Okay.
so we need to take care of it in sprint two.
Have you
And
taken care of it in sprint two?
yes, as we have started our sprint two, and in the sprint two backlog, we have also associated these epics, and these epics were
Oh,
related to,
nice. Okay.
and the third one is confusing. So
Yes, sir.
mainly there is not any like specifically thing that is what that was confusing, but obviously like Siddhant, I have also facing problem in sprint one about the new features of this Jira software, but like reports, issues, and we have also not assigned any code, or we have not connected any GitHub repo to this Jira software in sprint one, but we will take care of it in sprint two.
Okay, okay. Nice. So finally,
What
I should
about you, Prabhjot?
also give my opinion. What works well? Let me share my screen first.
Yeah, sure, you should.
1 minute, just. So, talking about Sprint 1, I have only two works, designing the 3D structure of our robotic hand and research on ASL. So, this research on ASL, 3D design of our robotic hand worked so well as I got so many references from YouTube and other sites from the previous builds. But what didn't work well was exactly like there was no perfect replica of what we wanted, so I have to make my own designs and changes in the previous given designs and ideas. And what was confusing was surely same to you as well, like this Jira software was very new. I didn't know about epics, tasks and everything, so it was bit of confusing, but now I am clear and our sprint 2 is online again. And finally, talking about what was left in sprint one. So, according to me, and I think according to all of you, there was nothing left because uh, our sprint one was exactly planned with what amount of tasks we should uh, brought out in our sprint one. And if there was anything left, so Nikhil, you or Siddhant can talk about it. According to me, there was nothing left.
And Prabhjot, in this your research and analysis, can you share your screen again?
Okay, okay, 1 minute. Yeah,
Yeah. So in your research and analysis on 3D design task, can you click on it?
1 minute just.
Yeah. In this one, you have not attached any file of your design, but you have. I think you have created and successfully we have also started working on that design and it was completed, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I forgot that. I apologize for
Yeah.
that.
So we will take care of these also in our sprint too.
Yeah, yeah.
So now I will share my screen.
Oh, so you are showing us our prototype design, so which we made.
Okay.
So in this one, like we have also created our sprint two. So the things we will take care of in sprint two will be, as I told you, that we will create epics. So I had already created these epics and you already added these issues and start working on it.
Yes, these are
And
in
we have
progress.
already worked on our yeah, and we have already worked on our miscellaneous setups like GitHub. So we have connected this GitHub in
Oh,
Sprint 2.
so
So,
can you
and I
show our
don't think
GitHub
like we have,
site if you want?
yep, yep. So these are our first commit and these are like headed and just here also we have added our screenshots
Okay,
of
okay,
merged uh, tasks. And I don't think like we have any pending task in sprint one. So
okay,
that sprint one is already completed.
okay, okay.
So this one already completed and we are start working on it, sprint
So
two, and we
according
will
to you,
work.
everything is going well, and
Yeah.
okay, okay.
Yes.
So
So
let us just finish this meetup.
okay,
Yes, sir.
anything left, Siddhant? You wanna say
No,
something? Okay, okay.
no, sir.
So
Thank you.
thank you guys. Wish you
Thank
well
you, guys.
for
Thank
the
you.
sprint too. Bye bye.
Okay.
All